Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2020 Suzuki GSXs 125. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look all around the bike for you. Okay, let's go in for a close look on this Suzuki. It is HPI clear. It's only a one owner bike and it's done super low miles on this. Hardly done any at all. But we'll have a look up at the dash in a moment in this video and we will get the exact mileage off it for you. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front and we will work all the way around the bike. As you can see, this little 125, it has got ABS on it. It also comes with a spare key in the pack. Of course, being a 125, this is learner legal as long as you have passed your CBT or done your CBT. It's also got a data tag on it. I mean, it's done virtually no miles at all, this. So it is like new, really. I do have a good look over on the left hand side. It is in white and black with blue as well on the graphics. Let's get a good look at the engine and the belly pan. Get a good close look in. Look at the rear shock there. Get a good look at the chain and sprocket there. And the back wheel. Let's get a look at it from the back. There's a nice looking bike, this. And we'll move over to the right hand side. Everything's standard on this. Standard Suzuki exhaust. Does have a full LCD dash on this as well. So what we will do now is we will go and take a look at the dash and the controls, and we'll also grab the mileage off it. Okay, let's go and have a look up at the controls. So over on the right hand side, we've obviously got our throttle, front brake, kill switch and starter. Then over onto the other side, we've got the clutch, we've got our lights, indicators and horn. Let's turn the ignition on and we'll get the miles off this. As you can see, it's only done 81 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you like any more photos or videos, anything close up you want to see, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.